Fins up, friends. Today I have a Breeze model to show you. Not a Breeze Bay, so it doesn't have that triangular countertop. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go. Hey, welcome in. You've got so much space here. Now let's look at the details. You've got a nice large kitchen here overlooking all of the living space with dining here, all the way into a nice open living room and even a little breakfast nook or whatever your heart desires. That this model offers a bay window and it also has a door to the lanai. I love the dual sinks that are separated for the space and such a large shower in the Breeze model. Florida has become synonymous with waterfront, and this one doesn't disappoint. So you know the drill. If you want some more information, look in the description below or give me a ring or a text. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you later. Talk to you later. Shoot. All right, you ready for the pillow to, Love that this model have a doorway to the bleh.